Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I did a deal at Giant food stores. I think these are the best deals this week at Giant food stores. There's a lot of different deals, but I just think that these are the best deals. So those are the three that I did. I think it's a very good deal as far as out of pocket's concerned. And if you are looking to hit your Ibotta rebates, it's a good way to rack up a bunch of rebates. And just to let you guys know that I did this deal on Tuesday. And guess what? I turned right back around and did it today on Wednesday. So the rebates will reset. So you can go back and do the deals over and over again. So these deals are good through Thursday, which would be August. You know what? I don't want to be giving you guys the wrong dates, which will be August 22nd. So you have the rest of the day to do the deals as well as tomorrow, which is Thursday. Okay. So let's jump right into the deals. So the first item that I grabbed, or items, excuse me, that I grabbed are the Arm & Hammer detergents. They are on sale this week, buy one, get one free. And they are regularly $5.49. But they're buy one, get one free. So you get two of them for $5.49. That's a good deal in itself. Anytime you have a BOGO, that's a good deal. But what makes this deal even more special is that when you scan them into the Ibotta app, you will see that they are giving back $2 for each one. And it doesn't matter which cap you get. You see all the different color caps are there. So you get $2 up to 3. So that's why I only got 2, all right? So you pay $5.49 at the register, and you're going to get $4 back from Ibotta. Now, some people say, well, how are you going to get paid for the free one? Ibotta will give you the money for the free one. So you get a total of $4 back from Ibotta. So that means you're going to pay $1.49 for 2 bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, or you can say it's like 75 cents a bottle. Again, excellent, excellent, excellent deal. And you can also get the Arm & Hammer free and clear for those of you who are sensitive or have sensitive skin, or to use it for babies. The next item that I grabbed, and I know you guys have been used to getting the long Oreo ice cream things, popsicles. They have been on sale for like a month and a half or so at Giant for 99 cents. Well, this week they have the Oreo sandwiches on sale for 99 cents. And I think those are regularly like $2.99 or something like that. Let me look on my receipt. I can tell you right now. They're regularly $3.49, but they're on sale for 99 cents this week. And we still have an Ibotta rebate. Now, it's a little different. We have been used to getting 99 cents back when we were getting the Oreo ice cream pops. Well, now they took that rebate away and they lowered it down to 75 cents. You could still get 5 of them though. But you only get 75 cents back instead of 99 cents. So instead of them being free, like they had been the last couple of weeks, they're going to come out to 24 cents a piece, which is still good because they're regularly $3.49 and you can get 5. And like I said, the rebate does reset. So go back and keep getting them over and over and over and over again. So it's like getting 5 ice cream sandwiches for $1.25. I think that's an excellent deal, especially if you have kids or you're a big kid like me. So I've been eating them myself. Me and my mom, she likes them too. So the last deal that I did, which I think is the best deal of the week. I think this deal is better than the laundry detergent. And probably because I'm not a huge fan of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. I usually use it for like my towels, my throw rugs, and I sell a lot of it. I love laundry detergent. You guys know I love to buy laundry detergent, but I'm not a huge fan of the Arm & Hammer. So I think the best deal of the week is the Gatorade deal. So what it is, Gatorades are on sale. The Gatorades are regularly $2.19. They're on sale this week. Buy 3 for $4. But you don't have to buy all 3 in order to get it for $4. If you buy 1 or 2, they will ring up at $1.33 each. So grab 2 of them. And there's a reason why we're not going to get 3. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. Grab 2 of them. And then you want to go in the Giant app. And you want to clip this digital coupon where you save $1 on any 2 20-ounce Gatorade or Thirst Quench or whatever those things are. But we're going to get the Gatorade, okay? So then you're going to grab 2, which is going to come to $2.66, but you're going to use that $1 off coupon. So that means you're going to pay $1.66. But then, guys, you're going to also submit your receipt to Ibotta, because Ibotta is going to give us $1 back for buying 2 Gatorades. So that's going to be like getting 2 Gatorades for 66 cents or 33 cents each. Again, excellent, excellent, excellent deal, especially if you are a Gatorade drinker. So let me show you guys my receipt, and then we'll go over what my actual out-of-pocket was. All right. So here is my receipt. There you see the Oreo sandwiches. There's 5 of them. They're regularly $3.49. Take the sale price, the discount off, they come to 99 cents. There's the Arm & Hammer, regularly $5.49. 1 rings up free, and then they charge me $5.49 for 1. Then there's the Gatorade for $2.19. There you see the $1 where it says MC personal discount. That's the $1 digital coupon. So that the $1 came off of 1. So that came down to 34 cents. And then there's the other Gatorade for $1.33. My total was $12.11, because you guys know we don't discuss tax, because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough. So $12.11 was my total. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I end up getting back $8.75. And here is the breakdown. I got back $1 for the Gatorade, $3.75 for the Oreo sandwiches, and $4 back for the Arm & Hammer. You see that? $8.75. So when you do the math and you subtract $8.75 from $12.11, that means that my out-of-pocket was $3.36. So I got 9 items. If you divide that by 9 items, that's 37 cents an item. You cannot beat that, guys, especially with the price of food and household items and inflation. Excellent, excellent deal. And like I said, these rebates do reset in Ibotta. The only thing that you won't be able to take advantage of is the $1 digital coupon in the Giant app, unless you can use someone else's app. So if you do the deal all over again, just add another $1 on. So that would be $4.36. Still an excellent deal for everything. So that's my haul, guys. Remember, you have until tomorrow, Thursday, August 21st, to go ahead and do, August 22nd, to go ahead and do these deals and take advantage. Come back, let me know what you were able to find. And until the next time, keep on saving.